Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset option and tap on Reset Phone. So here we've got this option, Reset All Settings, so the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it and confirm everything with your screen lock. So basically your device will reset all settings, such as, for example, the system navigation. If you've got the gestures, it will apply the 3 buttons navigation. It will also, for example, change the screen timeout, etc., etc. So something like that. So just tap on Reset if you're ready. Here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone, so just tap on Reset and wait a second until the reset will be completed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.